viewers, welcome back to another Make It Monday. Today we're making mug cakes. Oh, can't speak, mug cakes. So you need to get 2 mugs that are safe for the microwave. So make sure they're safe for the microwave. If you don't have a mug that's safe for the microwave, then maybe you have like a Tupperware tub that's safe for the microwave, or a dish that can go in the microwave. So we're making them in mugs just because it's trendy. I've got here 30 grams of butter which has been melted, and you can melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So it's nice and melted here. So that's 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of butter. I have got a tablespoonful of milk. I have 50 grams or a 1/4 cup of sugar. I have got 6 tablespoonfuls of self-raising flour, which is also just about 1/2 cup. And then I have a tiny amount of salt, so this is a 1/4 teaspoon, but you don't need to fill it up. And I have got a teaspoonful of vanilla extract. And that's all the ingredients that you need. You could have cocoa powder and add in, and then you could have a chocolate cake, but we're just going to make a vanilla one. So this recipe will make 2 mug cakes, and it takes 2 minutes to cook in the microwave. Now we seem to have gone a bit blurry. There we go. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your butter. I'm just going to move these things out of the way so that we can be under the camera. Okay, so you've got a mixing bowl here. I'm going to pour into that my wet ingredients. So in goes the butter. I've been talking for so long it's beginning to solidify. In goes the milk, and then in goes the egg. Oh, come on. There we go. So, and then you take a fork and you're going to mix it up in the fork with the fork. So mix up the egg, the milk and the butter together. Make sure it's all mixed in nicely. Whisk it away. So it should be a nice yellow colour. Then you're just simply going to add in the dry ingredients. So in goes the flour. In goes the sugar. In goes the salt. I spilled a little bit, but that's okay. I'm going to add the last wet ingredient, which is the vanilla extract, and in goes the vanilla. And then all you do is mix it up. We need to make it into a nice, smooth batter. So it's going to go a bit lumpy, but just keep mixing it together. And you don't need a spoon or anything. You can just continue to use the fork that you've been using. So just so long as we get it all mixed together. Just make sure you scrape the sides in. You probably have a better mixing bowl. This is just the bowl that comes with my scales for weighing out things. So I'm mixing it, and you can see at the moment it's still quite lumpy. There's still quite some lumps in there, so you need to keep mixing it till it's nice and smooth. Really doesn't take very long at all. As you can see, it's mixed together quite nicely. Got a few lumps still. Get rid of them. Okay, that looks really good. So you've got nice, smooth, thick batter. And it's good to get a little bit of air in it. So the more you mix it, the more air that can go in. You can see that you sometimes get air bubbles popping. And that's good. It means that your cake will rise more. Alright, so I've done that. You could add the chocolate powder in now if you can mix it in if you were going to make a chocolate cake, but I'm keeping it vanilla flavoured. So I'm going to try to evenly pour this cake mix so that there's half in one. And then half in the other. Make sure you get it all in the cup. I think I've got more in one than the other now, but that's okay. We can put a bit more in this one. Just going to use, I have got a teaspoon here. I'm going to try and get the last of this mixture. I don't want to waste any. There we go. So we've got 2 cups with cake mix in it. And all you're going to do now is you're going to stick it into the microwave on high for 2 minutes. But I would stop the microwave after 60 seconds just to check, and then let it go for the further 60 seconds. So I will show you I shall show you a picture of the finished product. Take care for now, and I hope you enjoy your mug cakes. Mug cakes, not mud cakes. I can't say it now. Mug cakes, not mud cakes. So enjoy, have fun, take care, bye.